Chapter Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Part 3. Now we will see the 8th problem. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length given and diameter 5 cm given. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Total radiating surface in the system. Total radiating surface in the system means the heating element. It is in the form of what? Circular surface. Clear? So you have to find out curved surface area. Clear? It is given. Find the total radiating surface in the system means that curved surface area. So you have to remember that here total given. That's why you should not use total surface area. Clear? Here you have to read the problem correctly and how to find out what for radiating surface. Only how to find out, that is curved surface area. Solution, right? The length is given. Length of the system 28 meter. 28 meter means that is what h is given. 28 meter means h is given. The diameter is given 5 centimeter, and therefore what 5 by 100 meter. Now radius equal to 5 by what divided by 2 means 200 meter. 5 by 200 meter. Okay, you keep it as it is, or you can change into what a fraction. This will go one time. This will go 40. That is 1 by 40 meter. Okay, this one you take it as R. This one you take it as R. Now the total radiating surface. Total radiating surface is equal to Csa of cylinder. So what is Csa of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Now 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Pi value not given means you have to take only 22 by 7. If it is given means 3.14. Okay, in the problem they may mention. Clear? That's right. So now 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 1 by 40. R is 1 by 40 into then H is 28. H is 28. So that you can easily cancel. This will be 4 times. Then this 4 means 10. Right? Now multiply, that is what? 44. 44 by 10 is very simple. That is 4.4 meter square. 4.4 meter square. Because everything you have to make in the same unit, right? The centimeter, there you have to change it to meter, then you have to apply the formula. Clear? Then only we get the correct answer. Okay, so mainly why I am teaching this problem is here total is given. Total radiating surface means you should not apply total surface area. You have to apply curved surface area only. The radiating surface is in the form of what? Curved surface area. Clear? The radiating surface means curved surface area only you have to find out. Okay. Understand? So write the correct formula, put the correct value on the answer, right? Ninth problem, the subdivision first. The Csa of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank, that is 4.2 meter in the diameter and 4.5 meter in height. And second, how much steel was actually used? If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. While making the tank, 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. Clear? So using that condition, you have to find out how much steel was actually used. Clear? So first you have to find out what Csa of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. That means solution. What is given in diameter? That is diameter is given. Diameter is 4.2 meter. Radius is divided by 2. That is 2.1 meter. That is you keep it as R. Next, height is given. That is height means height. Height is given 4.5 meter. 4.5 meter height is given. Okay. Now Csa of closed cylindrical tank, CSA out, but here what closed means total surface area, but here in the problem they ask what CSA means curved surface area only, how to find out. Okay, so CSA of cylindrical tank. CSA means 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, right? That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into the r is 2.1 into h is 4.5, right? So correctly you have to put the value. Now you see, you can sum table, you can cut it here, means 0.3. Now 44 into 45 into 3, 1.35. Because 135, 45 into 3 is 145. After decimal you have two decimal. You see, after decimal 2 digits you have. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So 2 digit you leave it and keep the point. Now you easily can multiply with the 44. First you remove the decimal, ignore the decimal. So 59.40, that can be written as 59.4 meter square. 59.4 meter square. Understand? This one curved surface area. Now the second part. Second part is very important. We have to find out the total surface area. The total surface area. So in the second part, you see how much steel was actually used. If 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Clear? So here you have to find out the first. You have to find out the total surface area. Clear? Total surface area, because this closed cylindrical tank is given. Clear? Then only we can find out the how much steel actually used. Clear? Using this condition. So first you have to find out TSA. TSA of cylindrical tank. TSA of closed cylindrical tank. That is equal to CSA plus 2 base area. Okay, cylindrical tank means you know that is okay. This one is closed. These two closed. This one base. This one closed means total surface area. So CSA already we have CSA. That's why you write this. Okay, plus 2 into base area. 2 into 22 by 7 into the r squared. R squared is what? 21, 2.1 into 2.1, right? Now 7 table you cut it means 0.3. So 59.4 plus 44 into 0.63. 21 into 3 is 63, but after decimal 2 digit there, so leave the 2 digit and keep it. Now 44 you multiply. 63 into 44. So 59.4 plus 27.72, right? Because after decimal 2 digit there, that's right. Now just add it. 87.12, right? That is the meter square. Total surface area. You see that the required area of steel actually used to be x meter square. Clear? Then wasted steel given condition, you see 1/2 of the steel actually used was wasted. That means wasted steel is 1/12 of x. This is only required area of steel. Therefore, from that wasted is 1/12 x. Okay. Now total surface area. This total surface area equal to these two subtracted. Wasted you have to subtract from the actual area. Okay. Therefore, TSC is equal to x minus 1/12 x. That can be written as x/12, right? x/12. Understand? Therefore, you take LCM. TSA, you know what is TSA? Here TSA you have. Okay. This one you substitute and find out here. Okay. TSA, that is 87.12 equal to 12 you take LCM. 12 you take LCM means 12x minus x. That is 87.12 equal to 11x. That is 11x by 12. Now trans multiply. That is 11x is equal to 12 into 87.12. Okay. Now your 11 you divide. X is equal to 12 into 87.12 by 11. 11 table correctly it will go. Okay. You cancel it. How many time will go? 87 means 7 times. Okay. 7. Remainder is 10. 101. 9 times will go. 7.2. This is 10 remainder means 101. 101 means 9 times 99. Okay. Then 2 remainder. 92 will come. Then multiply. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So 95 after decimal 2 digit you have. So 95.04 meter square. This is a required area of steel. Therefore, required area of steel is 95.04 meter square. Okay. Understand? You write the final answer. Therefore, required area of steel actually used is 95.04 meter square. Understand? So here this idea is very important. This idea very important. Okay. Normally you can find out what CSA and use that CSA and find out PSA. This is the next problem, 10th problem. The figure you see the frame of your lamp set. Okay, you might have seen lamp set. Okay. You have lamp set cloth. It is to be what covered with a decorative cloth. Okay, so decorative cloth is covered. Okay, to reduce the brightness. To reduce the brightness. Here, therefore, the frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter, but a margin of 2.5. See, this is the margin. Margin of 2.5 is to be given for folding it over the lampshade. Okay, over the lampshade, it is the decorative cloth taken margin as 2.5 centimeter and folded. Clear like that. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So you have to find out the curved surface area. You have to find out the curved surface area, but the height is given. Okay, 30 centimeter. But 2.5 is folded. So here you have to add plus 2.5. Here this side also you have folded. Okay, 2.5 you have to add. So total height is 35 centimeter. Total height is 35 centimeter. Clear? Total cloth height is 35 centimeter you have to take. Okay, this is very important. Later on the curved surface area use means you will get the answer. Okay, this is main idea. You see, meter is 20 centimeter. Therefore, radius easily you can find out. Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. You take it as R. Take it as R. But height is given. Height of that lampshade. Height of the lampshade is 30 centimeter given. Okay. Cloth usually equal to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. That is equal to 35 centimeter. Right? Okay. This one you have to take it as height. Now curved surface area find out. Okay. Therefore, what they ask you, find how much cloth you require. Required cloth. Therefore, required cloth is equal to 2 CSE of cylinder. That is 2 pi R H. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into the R is 10. Height is 35. Height is 35. So you cut it, means 5 times will go. 44 into 50. 44 into 50 is here 20 into 2, 22 yes, centimeter square. This much cloth is used. Here, this much cloth is used. So very easy only. Okay, correctly you have to use the formula and correctly you have to do. Understand? So next we will see the exercise 13.3, first problem. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is given 10 centimeter. Find its CSE. Got to find out curved surface area. What is curved surface area of a cone? That is pi r L. Clear? So already I have given the formula in the part 1. Clear? So you have to refer that part 1 video. Still, okay, you just recall that is cone. Cone having slant height. Cone is having slant height. This is L, slant height. Okay. Then suppose OAB. AB is the radius. OA is the height. Slant height means this is correctly 90 degree perpendicular. Okay. So you can use Pythagoras theorem means L is squared. Slant height squared equal to h square plus r square, right? Therefore, L is equal to square root of h plus r. Okay, this is slant height. Okay, L is slant height, where L is slant height. That is very important. Okay, so L is slant height of this. Okay, now CSE, first formula you have CSE of cone equal to pi r L. That is semicircle, circumference of semicircle, circumference of semicircle of the base. Base you have only one base, so you have to take semicircle base. In cylinder, what we have taken pi r square, pi r circumference, 2 pi r we have taken. Okay, here semicircle circumference you have to take. Okay, into slant height, Here, easily you can remember this formula. With idea you have to always prepare. And total surface area means as usual, that is CSA plus base area. Only one base area you have. The cylinder 2 times of base area. Here only one base area. So here pi r L plus pi r squared. So that is pi r take common means L plus r. So pi r take common means L plus r. So volume equal to one third of volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, you know. Volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? Pi r squared h. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units, right? Volume means cubic units, area means square units. Understand? So always you have to remember this, right? Now easily we can do that using this idea. Okay, here diameter. First write the diameter. The diameter is given 10.5 centimeters. So diameter means always you have to change the radius. You have to find out the radius. Means divided by 2. That is 10.5 divided by 2. This is R. This is R. Right. You no need to simplify. Keep as it is. Okay. Now slant height is straight away given. Slant height, that is what L. Slant height is given. Slant height equal to 10 centimeter is given, right? That is what L you take it. Therefore, CSA equal to formula. CSA of cone is pi r L. So pi value 22 by 7 into R 10.5 by 2 into L is 10. Okay, so that is you can cancel this 5 times. Okay, this 7 you cancel means 1 time, remainder thing that is 1.5. Okay, so you just multiply. That is 110 into 1.5. That is 15 into 11. 2 times write 15. Okay, 1 0 you add. 0 add means after decimal only one digit you have. So that you have to leave it one digit and put the point. 165.0, that is 165 centimeter squared. So like this easily you can find out the curved surface area of a cone by using the formula. So remember this concept. Here always you have to remember. Easily we can find out, right? Next problem, second problem, find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is given and the diameter is given. So diameter given means you have to find out the radius, right? So diameter, first write diameter. Diameter how much it is given? 24 meter. Therefore, radius 12 meter. Radius is 12 meter. That is R. That is R. Next, slant height is given. Slant height equal to 21 meter. That is L. Straight away it is given. Okay. Sometime height will be given. You have to find out the slant height by using this height and radius, right? Now total surface area. Total surface area of a TSC of a cone is pi r into L plus R. Pi r into L plus R. Okay. Pi r into L plus R. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 12 into L is 21 plus again this 12. So 22 by 7 into 12 into 33 it is. So you divide means this much meter square. That is total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone. Formula very important. Then put the correct value. Then get answer. That's all. Right. Put the correct value and get the correct answer. Okay. Fourth problem here, conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is given 24 meter. You have to find out the slant height is not given. You have to find out. Next, you have to find out the cost of canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter squared canvas is given, so cost of canvas required to make the tent means required canvas equal to what? Curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone. Understand? The tent is in the form of what? Cone. Conical tent is given, right? It's given conical tent. Therefore, we have to find out the curved surface area. The canvas is used for only what? Curved surface. Okay. Base they will not use for tent. Clear? So only what? Curved surface only they will use that canvas. So we have to find out curved surface area of the cone. Right? So here height is given, right? Height equal to 10 meter. Then radius is given, base radius. Radius equal to 24 meter. Therefore, find out slant height. The first one, slant height. L is equal to square root of, remember the formula, h square plus r square. Okay. That is square root of h square. 10 is squared plus 24 is squared. That is equal to root over 100 plus 576. That is equal to root over 676 is nothing but 26 square. 676 is 26 square. You have to remember it. Okay. You have to remember it. 26 square. 25 square is what? 625. 26 is 676. Right. Otherwise, you have to use long division method and find out. You don't know means you have to use long division method or doing factorization method. Prime factorization method also you can find out. In the square root 2 factor, then means you have to take one factor and the multiply means correct you will get. Okay. Like this prime factorization method you can use. So 2 table 3 time, then this also will go 3 time, 8 time. Again 2 table, 1 time, 6 time, 9 time. Then 13. So 213 means 113 you take, right? For taking square root 213 means 113. 2 means 113. So 2 into find out the square root. Okay. Of 676 is 26. Now we have to find out the cost of the canvas required to make the tent means that is the required area of canvas. You have to find out. Okay. So required area of canvas equal to required area of canvas equal to CSA of cone. CSA of cone is pi or L. Pi is 22 by 7 into pi is 22 by 7 into R is 24. R is 24 into L is 20. Better you keep this one as it is because here rupees 70 given. That's why 7 can easily cancel. That's why we have to find out cost. Okay, cost of the canvas required. That's why what you keep this one as it is. Clear? Here cost of canvas for 1 meter square equal to rupees 70. 1 meter square is rupees 70. Therefore, required cost equal to this rupees 70 into this much area. This much area how to multiply means 22 by 7 into 24 into 26. See, you no need to what divide. That's why I told you. Clear? Numerator around multiply. Clear? Then keep 7 as it is. Then now you multiply means you will get okay. Okay. 220 into 624 that is 1,37,280 rupees. Okay, this is required cost. Like this easily you can find out. Okay, using the formula. Then cost for always right cost for canvas for 1 meter square it is given. Then required area you have to find out the cost. That is required cost equal to that much area you have to multiply. Clear means you will get. Understand? Same type of problem I will give it as homework. You do the homework problem for better practice.